Welcome. If you want to keep your personal information safe and stop Discord from accessing your phone contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent Discord from accessing your contacts on your Android device. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes it might be labeled as App Management. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the Discord app. Once you spot Discord, tap on it to open its app settings. Here you'll see several options related to how Discord interacts with your device. Now look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on it to view all the permissions Discord currently has access to. In this menu, you'll see a list that might include things like camera, microphone, storage, and contacts. Find Contacts in the list and tap on it. You'll be presented with options to allow or deny access. To prevent Discord from accessing your contacts, simply select Don't Allow. This change takes effect immediately, and Discord will no longer be able to access your contact list on your phone. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've taken control of your privacy and stopped Discord from accessing your contacts. Keeping your information secure is simple and only takes a minute. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to protect their privacy while using Discord. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe online.